guys, it is the coldest day so far. We were at my husband said it was -8 this morning when he got up. So very cold, but what a better time to make some spring soaps than today. And this is going to be a sour straws theme soap. So those sour punch candies, it smells very similar to that. I had my husband smell the scent, and I did do a blend, and he's like, this smells like that kind of like pixie stick candy dust stuff. He's like that, or the Fun Dip. It smells like that. So I actually made these a few days ago. We actually had a couple snow days, and the kids don't have school today. And I made these with some soap dough that I had some neons. Hopefully I don't spill it. So you can see those colors. They're very bright, very fun. And see those? Aren't those cool? So there's a lot of them. The bulk of it is going to be the black activated charcoal with the fragrance. The fragrance does discolor to kind of a tannish brown, so I want it to be black. And then I have these neons and then this neon soap dough. And I have 2 of the long sets, and then I have a set of these little short ones that I'm going to put into my this mold, and this just makes 4 bars of soap because that will counteract the weight of the soap dough. Okay, so what's going to be cool with these, and you're not going to be able to see this until I cut into them, but how I did this, I've seen some polymer clay videos where they had kind of extruder gun and they rotated colors, so you kind of got a circle of color, different colors in each one, each of the slices, so to speak. So I'm hoping that works with this. So if I look at, say, the end of here, I've got some green out on the outside and then a little bit of yellow, and then like this one has yellow on the outside and then orange and then pink, and this one is actually opposite, pink and then yellow. So I did pink, yellow, orange, and then green, and then rotated that over and over and over again to get these colors. So I think it's going to be really, really cool. I just hope that I get the black where I want it. So the fragrance is a sweet and tart blend of tangerine, peach, I have my note here, tangerine, peach, lemon drop, cotton candy, and green apple. So it's a really, really nice candy-ish scent. So get my oils to the correct temperature, and we'll come back when it's time to make the soap.